All right, I already worked this problem out. If you look in the comments, you'll see that I worked this inequality out where I got all my variables to the left. Remembering that when you have an inequality, you always want to get your variables on the left-hand side. And this time, I'm going to work out the same exact problem, but I'm going to have my x's on the right, and then I'm going to have to flip it at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. It is a linear inequality, has a greater than or equal to sign. It's not an equals. First, I'm going to distribute right here. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 and minus x is minus 4x. Okay, everything else drops down right where it was, here, here, here. All right, next I look to combine like terms, but when you look on the left side, these two are not like terms, they don't go together. Look on the right side, they're not like terms, they don't go together, so I don't need to combine like terms. And then step 3, I want to get my variables to the same side. So the first way I did it was I moved all my x's to the left. But this time I'm going to do it the other way just to show you that it's the same. Sometimes when I solve equations, I like to move my smaller variable. So that's what I'm going to do here. I am going to move the minus 6x, and I'm going to add 6x. Okay, I have no more x's on the left. If I add 6x on the left, I have to add 6x on the right. Okay, so let's see what we have. Drop down the greater than or equal to, drop down the 2, drop down the 24, and then negative 4 plus 6, negative 4x plus 6x is plus 2x. All right, we have all our variables on the same side. So let's isolate this grumpy old x. She wants to be by herself. I am going to subtract 24 from both sides. Let me get pink. I will subtract 24 on the left, subtract 24 on the right. All right, 24 is gone from the right-hand side. On the left, 2 minus 24 is a negative 22. It's greater than or equal to 2x. And one more step, I am going to divide both sides by 2. 2 over 2 is 1. So now this grumpy x is all by herself. Okay, now we don't leave our answer like this with the x on the right-hand side. So I want to move my x to the left. My x will be on the left, my negative 11 will be on the right. And then what you want to remember is that if you think about this as the alligator mouth, right, and he's eating the negative 11, then to be the same, he still has to eat the negative 11. Okay, so when you flip it around like this, to get the x on the left, remember, he's pointing at the x, and he's opening up to the 11. Same thing, opening up to the 11 and pointing at the x. Same. All right, so this was take 2. Same problem, 2 different ways. You can go and check the answer and make sure that they're the same.